First Market, nice location, basics, small table, 2 people at the door. And when you walked in, there were just so many people who were just excited about this opportunity and this event here in Atlanta. So with the Village Market, the actual marketplace, the event, you have the public who is raving and excited about supporting your business. They saw the need. They wanted to close the equity gap. They wanted to make sure that those businesses were supported. And that's one arm. Then you look at the Village Retail. You have a select few of vendors whose products are in here. And if you come in here on a daily basis, trust me, people are picking products. They're not just coming to window browse as they would in other shops. They're coming to specifically support. And they know that they can help close the gap. They know that they can help propel that business forward. And then when you look at the Elevate program in Our Village United, the nonprofit arm, we're helping those small businesses look at their pay gaps, understand how to get paid what they're worth, look at their business plan, understand their company structure, and see how they can start really charging what they're worth, whether they're a service-based business or a product-based business. So that's how the Village is helping.
Being an entrepreneur, being a Black entrepreneur can be challenging. You may have an idea that you want to pursue, but you may think that my idea isn't big enough. You may think that I don't have enough money to pursue this dream, or you may just get, nervous because you don't know which way to go. So there needed to be a ecosystem, a village to support them. Teacher Jay came to the program as like, whoa, I got this service offering for online teaching. I got products and books I want to roll out. So like, oh, slow down. So you're doing great. But again, let's make sure we're focusing on, your mission, your purpose, your vision, all right? And let's make sure that we're focusing on where you're having the most success. So let's foster that, let's grow that. And we pushed her and challenged her to want to expand her program, but within the area where she was having the most success. So now she's doing 4X over the $10,000 a month that she was already doing. So now she's able to actually employ teachers. So she's going from being a solopreneur now to really having a functioning, thriving business.
Being a part of the cohort allowed me access to all these people who know what they're talking about as far as business, so that I actually had a legit business and I'm running it the way that it needs to be ran so that I can be successful, and also so my staff can be successful. It kind of taught me all the steps that I would have just jumped right over, and it gave me the motivation and the push to actually hire my teachers, and I'm so glad I did.
So then you have Christian with Complete Revenue Coalition. So it's collection business. She fell into it. That's a very, very unique niche. We helped her streamline her focus. Right? So during her time within the cohort, within these 12 weeks, she's been able to collect $1.3 million.
I have a master's in business administration, but the program literally gave me a bit more hands-on experience than that master's that I have. The Elevate program really dug into the very specific techniques that I needed, including strategic planning, financing, marketing, every little detail of what I needed to make my business successful.
So success looks like many different things for each business, but more importantly, is for them to know that they have a village and that they can do this. They can be free to dream. They can be free to achieve anything that they want to achieve, and that's what we were here to help them do. So when you think about the foundation of American Family, when you think about Atlanta United, those organizations took what they had and are making a huge impact, within the communities that they serve. That's all that we're doing here. It just makes sense for us to find a way to kind of work together, find a way for us to unite collectively while we are united on our journey to serve our communities respectively. So get involved, become a part of the community, and we'll see you soon.